Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women poncho designs. Different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection, most attractive and most amazing collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful, trendy, expensive, stylish, so I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet woman poncho designs and others like crochet woman scarf designs, flowering scarf designs, caplet, cap shawl, circular jacket designs, open jacket designs, sweater designs, crochet woman long dresses, short dresses, bodycon dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder, one shoulder dresses also. Crochet baby material like crochet baby frock designs, romper designs, crochet baby shoes designs, cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, and many more things also. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection.